Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome to my video. Let me briefly introduce myself. My name is Doni Damara, and I am delighted to be here today to talk about measuring. Two is a quantity measuring. In a physical setting, a measurement instrument may be wicked to measuring substance of the specific physical quantity. In session content, the specific physical quantity is tailored a measuring quantity. In this section, the Lagrange of measurement. With this central, this mystery will be introduced. Chemistry make a measure a number of variables such as pressure, temperature, mass, and volume, and use the experimental values to calculate some other property, the purity of a compound or the concentration of a compound in the commercial product are possible examples. The chemist need to be able to record that and to declare in a pressure and numerical format. This requires an irreversible adopt language involving compared symbol and rules. Will they affect like a person knowledge of test knowledge of them is essential to the practicing of a mystery. In this session, follow the recommendation of the International Union of Poor and Applied Chemical, the international governing body for chemical quantity, a property, the measure the length, time, volume, pressure. Unit a standard quantity can with the quantity is measured gram, meter, second, liter, Pascal, which are unit of the body. Chemists measure various quantity. If the mass of a substance was found to be gram, this can be expressed as an equation. Here is the symbol for this quantity mass number and sorted for mass. In general equation of measure take the forming quantity number unit in print. The symbol for quantities are some in italic and for unit in regulator TPS is done above. The question may be manipulated by the normal the rule of algebra, the reduced ending of a table or the axis of graph could be labeled mass gram and number only tabulation or some so on the axis. It is important to release the magnitude of a quantity expressed as number without unit for quantities is meaningless unless the quantity is in fact to ratio. And this dimensionless has no unit since the unit in the numerator and denominator cancel. Many quantities are defined in terms of other quantities. This density symbol P is defined as mass per unit volume. This is the mass and volume of a sample of a substance are known. The density is calculated by dividing the mass by the volume density for mass volume. Unit mass may be written or in full or the symbol as a measure of full word and symbol is not permitted. The letter is never added the symbol to indicate plural. A full stop in the written after symbol as the end of a sentence. This symbol name after person have a capital first letter, but when the name of the unit is written. in full. A lower case where letter is used. When two or more symbols are combined to indicate a derived unit, a space is left between them. A space is also left between the number and the symbol for the unit, but no space is left between the prefill indicating power of 10 and the decimal to is appliance when symbols are combined as a question. Either power to the minus 1 or the solidus may be used, but the solidus may only be used once in the ref unit to false ambiguity. Quantity calculus, the manipulation of the mathematical equation relating quantities and their measure values using the rules of algebraic calculator. In this manual follow the rules of quantity calculus. When one quantity is multiplied by other, no space is left between the symbol. Is a calculator prefix for multiplies can be replaced by the numerical values. That is matter I can consider. A space is also left between the number and the symbol for the unit, but not a space is left between the preferred indication power of 10 and the symbol to which is applied. When symbols are combined as question, at the power the minus 1 or the solidus might be used, but the solidus may only be used as in the refer unit to have ambiguous. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.